today we will do assignment 3.2 from the third chapter. So let's start.
Assignment 3.2. First questions are multiple choice question. 11 by 13 raised to the power 0. You know that if the power is 0 of any base, the value will always be 1. Base যাই হোক না কেন পাওয়ারে যদি 0 হয় always value 1 হবে. Next, 2 raised to the power 3 plus 1 raised to the power 3 equal to 3 raised to the power x. In this expression you have to find the value of x. So how can you find the value? 2 raised to the power 3 plus 1 raised to the power 3 equal to 3 raised to the power x. So 2 raised to the power 3, that means you need to multiply to 3 times. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 3 times means not this. Okay, this is not correct, but 3 times means 2 multiplied by 3 times. 2 multiplied 3 times. 2 ke 3 times multiply korte hobe. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 1 to the power 1 এর পাওয়ারে যাই থাকুক না কেন তার ভ্যালু অলওয়েজ 1 হবে, বিকজ ইফ ইউ মাল্টিপ্লাই 1 হাউ মেনি টাইমস, যত টাইমস ইউ 1 কে মাল্টিপ্লাই করো না কেন 1 ই আমরা পাবো. 3 raised to the power x, 8 plus 1 that is 9 equal to 3 raised to the power x. 9 means 3 raised to the power 2, 3 raised to the power x, that is the value of x will be 2. এবার যদি কম্পেয়ার করি আমরা ভ্যালুটা কি পাচ্ছি, x এর ভ্যালু 2 হবে. ওকে, next the simplified value of this, question number 3, minus 3 by 4 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 1 by 125 by 27 divided by 5 by 3 raised to the power 2 9 by 16. এবার যেগুলোকে আমার ব্রেক করা যাবে, দেখো 3 তো একটা প্রাইম নাম্বার, 3 কে আর ব্রেক করা যায় না. এবার 125 কে আমরা ফ্যাক্টরাইজ করব, করলে কি পাচ্ছি 525 যা 5 5 যা, তাহলে 5 কে 3 টাইমস মাল্টিপ্লাই করলে 125. 27 কে যদি আমরা করি 3 কে 3 টাইমস মাল্টিপ্লাই করলে 27. 9 কে করতে চাইলে 3 কে 2 টাইমস মাল্টিপ্লাই, আর 16 হচ্ছে 2 কে 4 টাইমস মাল্টিপ্লাই. অ্যান্ড 4 কে আমরা লিখতে পারি 2 কে 2 টাইমস মাল্টিপ্লাই করে, তো -3 4 এর জায়গায় আমরা লিখতেই পারি 2 raised to the power 2, আর আমরা যদি এটাকে যদি 4 রাখতে চাই, ওকে এটা লিখলাম. এবার 125 কে আমরা লিখতে পারি 5 to the power 3 and 27 কে 3 to the power 3. নেক্সট 5 by 3 raised to the power 2. এবার 9 by 16, তো দেখো এখানে যেহেতু 4 আছে আমরা 16 কে 2 এর পাওয়ার করে লিখবো না, আমরা 4 এর পাওয়ার করে লিখবো. 3 to the power 2 আর 16 কে হবে হচ্ছে 4 to the power 2. এবার দেখো কি হচ্ছে, -3 by 4 raised to the power 5. এবার -3 by 4 আছে, আমরা এটা +3 by 4 করতেই পারি, বিকজ মাইনাসের পাওয়ারে ইভেন নাম্বার, তো এটা পজিটিভ ভ্যালু দেবে. নেক্সট 5 by 3 raised to the power 3. নেক্সট 5 by 3 raised to the power 2. 3 by 4 raised to the power 2. এবার আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি যে বেস সেম, পাওয়ার ডিফারেন্ট, তো আমরা এখানে পাওয়ারকে কি করব, ডিভাইড করা আছে তো সাবট্রাক্ট করে দেব. নেক্সট 5 by 3 raised to the power 3 minus 2. So 3 by 4 raised to the power 2, 5 by 3 raised to the power 1. 3 by 4 raised to the power 2, that means 3 by 4 raised to the power 2, that means 3 to the power 3 কে 2 times multiply করলে 9, 4 কে 2 times multiply করলে 16. 5 by 3, 3 3s are 9, so 3 5s are 15 divided by 16. This will be the answer. Next, a by b equal to this much, then the value of a by b whole to the power 3. So a by b equal to -3 by 7 whole to the power 9 divided by -3 by 7 whole to the power 8. তো এখানে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি the bases are same but this is division, so you have to subtract the power, -3 by 7 to the power 1, so the value will be -3 by 7. So you have to find the value of a by b raised to the power 3. minus 3 by 7 raised to the power 3, that is equal to minus 3 to the power 3 minus 3 to the power 3 minus এর পরে odd number আছে value minus হবে 3 to the power 3, that means 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. 7 কে 3 times multiply করলে আমরা ভ্যালু কত পাবো? 7 into 7 into এটা করলে পাবো 343. So 343, this will be the answer, minus 27 by 343. Okay, next question number 2. Express the following in a single exponential form. In a single exponential form. Question number 2. 8 by 5 raised to the power 2 divided by 8 by 5 raised to the power 8. So the power are different and the bases are same, so you have to subtract the power. 8 by 5 raised to the power minus 4. এবার যদি minus 4 কে তোমরা plus 4 করতে চাও কি হবে? just 8 by 4 কে আমরা reciprocal করে দেব, কি হয়ে যাবে? 5 by 8 raised to the power 4. So you have to express in a single exponential form. Single exponential form means a to the power m or x to the power m. ঠিক এইভাবে আমরা আমাদেরকে express করতে হবে. So 5 by 8 to the power 4, where a is 5 by 8, m is 4. Okay, so question number 2.1, I have left this question for you. You will solve this by yourself. Question number 3, express the following in a single exponential form. So here is 2 by 3 whole to the power 2 whole raised to the power 5. এখানে power এর power আছে, that means 2 into 5 10 হয়ে যাবে. 2 by 3 raised to the power 10, this will be the value. Okay, 2 by 3 raised to the power 10. Next, evaluate the following. Here 2 by 5 raised to the power, here 2 by 5 raised to the power 0. So power is 0 আছে, that means the value will be 1. Here minus 2 by 19 raised to the power 1, power 1 থাকলে value বেশি হবে, minus 2 by 19 হবে. Okay, next question number 5, evaluate the following. You have to find the value. Question number 5, 6. 4 by 3 raised to the power minus 3 multiplied by 4 by 3 raised to the power minus 2. Okay, so here you can see that the bases are same but the powers are different, so you have to add the power. 4 by 3 minus 3 plus of minus 2. 4 by 3 raised to the power minus 3 minus 2, that is 4 by 3 raised to the power minus 5. So here the power is minus, so you have to reciprocal this fraction. আমরা এই fraction কে reciprocal করে দিলে minus টা plus হয়ে যাবে. 3 by 4 raised to the power 5. 3 to the power 5 by 4 to the power 5. 3 to the power 5 means you have to multiply 3 5 times. 2 3 4 5. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 81 3s are 81 3s are 81 into 3 243. 4 to the power 5, that means if you multiply 4 5 times you will get 200. You will get how much? You will get 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64, 4s are 256, 4 6 are 24, 4 5s are 20 plus 2 22, 4 2s are 8, 1024. Okay, 1024. So 243 by 1024, this will be the answer. Next, question number 6. So you have to, just like this way, you have to evaluate the following, that is you have to find the value from question number 5. So here I have solved one question, but you have to solve all other questions. Okay, question number 6.1, express the following in the exponential form. 6.1, c into c into a square into a. So here c into c, that means the power is 1, so c to the power 2, a to the power 1 plus 2 plus 1, so that is c to the power 2, a to the power 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1 4, so c square a to the power 4. This will be the exponential form. Next, question number 7. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Question number 7, 1. 1 by 2 to the power 3 into 1 by 2 to the power 5 equal to 1 by 2 raised to the power x. So you have to find the value of x. So here the base is the same, so you have to add the power. 3 plus 5, 1 by 2 whole to the power x. So 1 by 2 raised to the power 8, 1 by 2 raised to the power x. The value of x will be how much? The value of x will be 8. Okay, next question number 7, 2. Minus 1 by 2 whole to the power 5 into minus 1 by 2 raised to the power 8 equal to minus 2 raised to the power x. So here the base are same but the powers are different, so you have to add the power. minus 2 raised to the power x. এবার এটাকে জাস্ট এই পাশে যেহেতু minus 1 by 2 আছে, তো এটাকে আমরা যদি no don't need to reciprocal this minus 2 raised to the power x. So minus 1 by 2 raised to the power 13 minus 2 raised to the power x. তো minus 1 by 2 কে আমরা যদি minus 2 এর আকারে লিখতে চাই তো কি হবে? So minus 1 by 2 এর reciprocal কি minus 2 হয়, তো এটা কি হয়ে যাবে minus 13 হয়ে যাবে, plus 13 হয়ে যাবে minus 13 minus 2 to the power x. So the value of x is minus 13. Okay, the value of x will be minus 13. Next, question number 8. By what number these should be multiplied so that the product become equals to minus 6 raised to the power minus 1. So if I ask you by which number 2 should be multiplied to get the product as 8. আমরা 2 কে কত দিয়ে multiply করলে 8 পাবো? Can you tell me that? 2 কে আমরা কত দিয়ে multiply করলে we can get the product as 8? 2 4s 8. So how can you get that? You have to divide the product by this number. So this is just like this. By what number these should be multiplied so that the product becomes equal to minus 6 raised to the power minus 1. Minus 8 to the power raised to the power minus 1 কে কোন নাম্বার দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করলে minus 6 raised to the power minus 1 পাবো? কোন নাম্বার দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করতে হবে? জাস্ট প্রোডাক্টকে আমরা এটা দিয়ে ডিভাইড করব। minus 6 raised to the power 1, কারণ আমাদের এই নাম্বারটাকে মাল্টিপ্লাই করলে কত দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করলে আমরা এইটা পাচ্ছি, তাই তো? তো আমরা এটাকে কত দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করলে এটা পাচ্ছি, যেমন 2 কে কত দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করলে আমরা 8 পাই, 4 দিয়ে। তো আমরা কিভাবে পাচ্ছি এটা? 8 কে 2 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করছি। তো জাস্ট লাইক দ্যাট ওয়ে ইউ হ্যাভ টু ডিভাইড দিস বাই দিস। Okay, so the bases are powers are same, so you have to take this power as common. So 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. 3 by 4 raised to the power minus 1, that is 4 by 3 raised to the power 1. So minus 8 to the power minus 1 should be multiplied by 4 by 3 to get the product minus 6 raised to the power minus 1. Next question number 9. By what number minus 18 raised to the power minus 1 should be divided so the quotient becomes equal to 6 to the power minus 1. So minus 8 to the power minus 1 কে আমরা কোন নাম্বার দিয়ে ডিভাইড করলে 6 to the power minus 1 পাবো? So if I asked you by which number 6 should be divided to get 2, 6 কে কত দিয়ে ডিভাইড করলে আমরা 2 পাবো? 6 কে আমরা 3 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করলে 2 পাবো। কিভাবে পাচ্ছি? 6 কে 2 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করে। So that means আমরা যদি minus 18 raised to the power minus 1 কে আমরা 6 to the power minus 1 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করি, we will get the answer. Minus 18 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 6 raised to the power minus 1. So the bases are different but the power are same. So we need to take this power as common. Minus 18 divided by 6 raised to the power minus 1. So that is 6 3 is the 18, minus 3 raised to the power minus 1, that is minus 3 raised to the power minus 1, that is 1 by 3 raised to the power 1, minus 1 by 3. So minus 18 to the power minus 1 should be divided by minus 1 by 3. Next question, question number 10. Here some expressions are given. You have to find the value. Question number 10, 4. 4 raised to the power 0 minus 3 raised to the power 0 plus 2 raised to the power 0 divided by 2 by 9 raised to the power 0. So when the power is 0, then the value will be always 1. 4 raised to the power 0, that is 1, minus 3 raised to the power 0, that is 1, plus 2 raised to the power 0, that is 1. 2 by 9 raised to the power 0, so this value will be always 1. So 1 minus 1, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. 1 by 1, this value equal to 1. Okay. So the answer will be 1. Next question number 11. A by B equal to 3 by 5 raised to the power 18, 3 by 5 raised to the power 16. Find the value of A by B raised to the power 2. So, A by B equal to 3 by 5 raised to the power 18 divided by 3 by 5 raised to the power 16. So, the value will be 3 by 5 raised to the power 18 minus 16, because the bases are same and these are divided. So you have to subtract the power 3 by 5 raised to the power 2. Here you need to find the value of A by B raised to the power 2. That is 3 by 5 raised to the power 2. This whole raised to the power 2. So that is 3 by 5 raised to the power 4. Okay. So 3 raised to the power 4. 3 3s are 9. 3s are 27. 3s are 81. 5 raised to the power 4. That is 625. Okay. So this will be the answer. So from this assignment I have solved some question, but I have left some questions also for you. That question you will solve by yourself, and if you can't understand and if you can't solve that question, you will ask me. Okay.